everybody. I am so excited that you're back with me today, TGIF, which means thank goodness it's Friday. All right, so I know you guys have had to watch a lot of stuff. I'm so bummed that you guys weren't actually able to be in the classroom with us this week. It's been kind of boring around here, I'm going to be totally honest with you. Kind of creepy because I totally think like that somebody was in here with me at some point, like Bigfoot. I don't know. Anyways, so you guys have just finished up your test or your quiz. So you should have wrapped that up just a few minutes ago and done, I'm sure, a phenomenal job because you guys were awesome. And you were able to study with playing Kahoot yesterday. I hope you guys had fun with that if you've never played it. So what we're going to do today is this is just a real quickie video to wrap up your weather journal, okay? So all week, we start on Tuesday. Today, you're going to wrap up with your final info page, and then we're going to do the charting at the back. We're trying to look for patterns, just like a meteorologist would, to try to figure out what we think the weather would be like on, like, next week, really. So each day, you guys did a page that looked like this. So each day, you were coming up with what the temperature was, the wind was coming from what direction, the rain gauge, what the sky looked like, what kind of clouds were up there. It's been kind of boring cloud week and rain gauge week, what the clouds look like. And then you were having to describe the weather, meaning giving me a sentence. And then based on today's weather, you were making predictions about what you thought the weather were going to be the next day. You were also having to fill in the thermometer, okay? So you did this Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then you're doing it for the last day today, Friday, 4 days. Once you get that information, what you're going to do is you're going to do this page. This page is at the very back of your weather journal, okay? It is our temperature page, and what we're doing is we're going to look for a pattern. We're going to chart this. These little lines down at the bottom, they count for days, and I realized there are 5. This was actually printed pre-COVID days, like back when like life was good and like we went to school 5 days in a row. So just disregard the last day, okay? So I'm going to show you what to do. Down here, we're going to put the dates, and then we're going to chart them. I'm going to tell you right now, do not put what I write, okay? I'm making up stuff. If you put it down, guess what? You're probably going to fail. It would be kind of a bummer. I know at this point. All right, so let's look. So on Tuesday, the first date that we started our weather journal, it was 11/17. And then Wednesday was 11/18. And then 11/19. And then today, it's 11/20. All right, so look. See down here? I don't care if you put 20 behind it. I'm being personally honest. I'm so over 2020. So I don't care if you put 20 on there or not. Okay? All right, so 11/17, 11/18, 11/19, 11/20. If you're a dash kind of person, some people are, and you want to do it, and you want it to write like, pen is stuck. If you want it to be like this, 11/19. Okay, I'm cool with that. All right, so we've got our dates. And then over here, it has temperature. Let's look at the scale. The scale goes from 30 to the next line is 34. And then the next line is 38. And then the next line is 42. How is that going up from 30 to 34? How did we go up there? By 4s? Yeah, we did. We're going up by 4s. So I'm going to ask you this. If the temperature says 30 and it was 31, there's not a 31 on here, Miss Scott. What am I going to do? Well, guess what? Just put a little bit above the 30. Duh. Miss Scott, there's not a 33. Well, then put it a little bit underneath the 34. Okay, makes sense? All right. So I'm going to give us a pretend temperature here. Do not put this in yours. Public service announcement. Do not write this down in yours, okay? So I'm going to say that on 11/17, when I look back on 11/17, today is, and I look back and it said 11/17, maybe it said that it was 52 degrees. I am going to put a circle, dot, whatever you want to call it, above 11/17. That would be about 52 degrees. I put that between my 50 and my 54. All right. So then 11/18, the temperature was actually 61. So I'm going to say, ooh, I got 62. Oh, I'm going to put it right there. And then, so I put it just a little tad bit under the 62. 11.19. It was 54 on the money. I put it exactly 11.19, exactly on the line that said 54 degrees. All right. And then 11.20. Woo, buddy, a freeze warning. Remember, water freezes at what temperature? 32 degrees. 32 degrees. So it was 32. All right. So look, halfway between the 30 and the 34. All right. So now what I need to do, because I mean, that I can pretty much see a trend. Watch this. I want you to connect your dots, just like old school, connect the dots. All right. Now look at it. A little bit easier to see, right? Yeah. All right. So, I wonder if, well, we were pretty solid right through here, right? And then it went. So I wonder if on this day, if I really check the temperature tomorrow, what the temperature would be then. I wonder if you checked it tomorrow and filled that in, if I might give you some bonus points. Just saying, because there is an empty line there. I wonder what would happen. What do you think? I want you to think about that long and hard. What kind of trends did you see? What kind of patterns did you see this week? When we all get back together, we're going to start weather and climate. We're actually going to start that the Monday before we get back. So you guys are going to have a little background knowledge so that we can get started rocking and rolling, because we're going to have a super cool project to do when you get back. I know you're so excited. I miss you guys bunches. I wish you were here. And I hope that you have an awesome, awesome, awesome Thanksgiving and eat lots of turkey. Or if you're not a turkey person, eat lots of ham. And if you're not a ham person, you know what? Eat lots of super cool vegetables, because I'll be thinking about you while I am running in my Thanksgiving 5K. And then I think I'm doing one the next day. I don't know how I got roped into 2 this year, but hey, I'll see you guys soon. And I just want you to have fun, enjoy the weather, whatever way it's like, because weather is what? It's the current outdoor conditions. All right, guys. Bye.